We're coming into it. This is the foyer. It looks kind of narrow, but it's really not. It's just the way things going. It's got a staircase with the white balusters. It's got cherry wood floors. Pretty wide.
Pretty.
Yeah, cherry wood floors.
Living area.
Formal living room. Then we'll go over into the formal dining room. Dining room's not very big. It's kind of small, but it looks nice.
Yeah.
It does have hardwood in the dining room, foyer, and it doesn't in the great room though, but here's the great room. Ooh, and they took them into the den too. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Okay, it's got a 2-story great room, but it's got 9-foot ceilings about halfway into the great room. We'll go to that in a second.
Yeah.
Well, wait a minute. I'm going to turn here and I'm going to show you. Off to this side is an office. Let me show you that.
Nice buildings.
Beautiful built-ins, hardwood floors. It's oak, but it's a real pretty kind of honey oak. It's good for a, yeah, it's very nice. Wall of windows. There's a pond out back that's beautiful. Here's the great room. I'm going to go into it a little bit more. And as you can see, they've got a huge mirror, kind of oval mirror. I don't know if you like that or not. I think it's kind of pretty. But a huge mirror above it. Wall of windows leading out to a real pretty setting, which we'll go outside in a minute.
Actually, the carpet doesn't look bad.
No, and it's got the kind of carpet that you like. It's a kind of a nice Berber. But if you wanted to change it, the only room you'd have to change is this one.
Okay.
Because everything else is...
It's pretty, actually.
Oh, it's very pretty. This is actually better than I thought. This looks almost new, too. It's in real good shape. It's got a little bit of a loft up there. All right, I'm going into the kitchen. Oh, and the front door is real pretty, too. We're going into the kitchen. It's a beautiful white kitchen with the cherry floors. The cherry floors are beautiful. It does have your desk. I need you, Oscar, in a minute to come over here and open the door so I can go outside.
Okay.
Wow, the kitchen's beautiful. Do you like this? Now, it does have white appliances. That's a negative. But you know what? This is only in the 5s, this house.
For this price, I'll change.
Yeah, he'll change everything. Yeah, this is very nice. It's got black granite, kind of a black speckled granite, which is still nice.
It's actually similar to what we have, Paul.
Oh, okay. He says it's similar to what you have. Does have some, you know, high... It's actually, I like this color, too. They've done it like a dark burgundy. Do you like that?
Yeah. I don't know about this, but that's okay.
Oh, that's just hanging there. That can go.
Yeah.
That's, as a matter of fact, they may take it with them.
I'm actually creating more space.
Yeah.
Are you filming?
I'm going back into the laundry area, which does have a door to the back that you can get out to the backyard from the laundry. Not a very big laundry, but it has a really nice washer and dryer, so if we buy this, we'll ask for it. It does have some gold knobs, which...
You can change.
That's an easy change. Nice bathroom. I like that. Nice toilet, you know, hardwood floors. It's got a big 3-car garage loaded with kid stuff. All right, let's go back in through the kitchen and outside. Here's our thing, so don't lose that. Okay. We're going to go outside and look at the outside. Oh, the outside's beautiful. This might be a contender.
You want to pause it and move it?
Yeah, I had to open it. No, we'll show her the whole thing. Okay, here's your backyard. It's not a huge backyard because there's a pond, but there's plenty of grass space. It's a corner lot, so it's probably bigger than some of the others. It's kind of got a 2-tier stepper, and there's a beautiful pond out back. I love this setting.
Really?
See, Brian and I almost built over here when they were building, but
really nice.
We ended up in Wyandotte Woods instead. They have little children, too, these people. Yeah. It's a 3-tier deck. It's very nice.
This is nice, actually.
Yeah, well, you know, the price is right. And this is definitely the heart of Dublin. All right, let me do one more of the great room, and then we'll pause and go upstairs.
Okay.
I just wanted to show the great room one more time. It's got wainscoting. This is lovely. I'm surprised this is still here, to tell you the truth. I think.
Pantry.
Oh, okay.
There's a pantry here.
I am surprised it's still